Hi guys and welcome back to my channel, or if this is your first time watching my videos, hi, my name is James, I'm an interior designer here in Ireland, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to turn this boring IKEA stool, very basic IKEA stool, into this fabulous, chic, stylish, luxurious stool. And without further ado, let's get into today's video. Okay, so what you're going to need for this DIY, obviously you're going to need IKEA stool. And you're also going to need IKEA sheepskin rug, obviously the fake one because we don't want to be skinny animals alive. You're also going to need a staple gun and spray paint. I chose copper because I'm just loving the look of copper at the minute, but you can choose like brass or gold or silver or chrome or whatever colour you want. You could even do like yellow or pink or go crazy with it. Okay, so first of all you need to lay out your legs and coat them in a layer of spray paint. Then flip them over and do the same on the opposite side. Now you need to cut your rug to the appropriate size so it covers the stool. So once your rug is cut, you're going to get your staple gun and start stapling the fabric to the stool. All you need to do now is attach your legs to the stool and you're finished. Okay guys, so there you have it. That's how I turned the IKEA stool into a luxurious, comfortable, chic stool. Much better than what it was, and I really hope you enjoyed. Let me know down in the comments if you're going to try this. Did you like the colours I picked? Did you think this was a good idea? Just let me know all your thoughts and everything down in the comments, and don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and also click the subscribe button. I upload every Wednesday, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!